WWE अब तक आपके दिल में क्यों है? मेरे भी दिल में है।
मेरे दिल में है भाई, ऑब्वियसली है.
हम क्यों देखते हैं WWE? बिकॉज इट्स सोप ओपेरा फॉर मेन।
It is soap opera for men. It's
यानी
great.
यानी कि
Also, there is a lot of athleticism in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't. Someone is doing a moonsault onto a table. You're going through all that. You're falling off a cage.
Yeah. आपने
Remember Mankind falling?
आपने
Come
विंस
on,
की
यार.
डॉक्यूमेंट्री
हाँ,
देखी है?
देखी obviously.
कैसा लगा देखकर?
Crazy.
आई फील कि एनी
But मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें पहले. I'm not a normal WWE fan. हाँ.
अब
I'm a
बहुत
बहुत
हार्डकोर
hardcore WWE fan हूँ. मुझे सब पता था already. There's another thing which is available on YouTube called the Dark Side of the Ring. अगर आपको WWE stories जो in depth है. एक और डॉक्यूमेंट्री है called The Monday Night Wars which was between WCW and WWE. आपको बहुत नॉलेज मिलेगा इंडस्ट्री के, उनके इंडस्ट्री के बारे में.
बात करें WWE के बारे में?
बात करो भाई.
Okay.
मुझे शायद WWE के बारे में ज्यादा पता है.
मान लो कल अगर आपकी डॉटर आपके पास आ गई और बोली कि इंट्रोड्यूस मी टू WWE, आप पहले कौन से रेसलर को दिखाओगे?
100% The Rock. नो डाउट. there's no question नहीं है मेरे, बिकॉज अभी उनकी भी बेटियां है, ये है, तो इज अ वेरी गुड इंट्रोडक्शन टू अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड. आई थिंक फैमिली फ्रेंडली.
90s के क्लिप्स दिखाओगे?
वो
The
सारे
Rock?
नहीं दिखाऊंगा भाई. वो सब नहीं दिखा सकता, बट आई विल. वो थोड़ा एडिट करके दिखा सकता हूँ. एट वन एज शी विल गेट इट.
Yeah.
द रॉक वाज लाइक Elvis Presley of that time in the ring. You know what I mean? He had the audience by his hand.
पता है, ये आईब्रो वाला, ये मेरी फर्स्ट टी शर्ट है WWE
Oh, you
की.
with the Rock?
With the Rock
जो इधर
ऐसा-
लिंकिंग
ऐसा
रोड
लगा.
पे बेचते थे,
हाँ.
पायरेटेड सब.
वहीं से खरीदी थी. प्रिंट जो 1 महीने में खराब हो जाता
मेरा
है.
जो दोस्त है अमन, वो स्टोन कोल्ड का फैन था और मैं रॉक का फैन था. तो बस वो झगड़े होते थे बस.
आई रिमेम्बर दिस.
साल निकल जाते थे. और मेरा एक दूसरा दोस्त था मयूर. ही एंड मी वुड जस्ट, मतलब हम लोग ब्रेक में बिफोर गोइंग, जस्ट क्लास की घंटी बजती थी कि शॉर्ट ब्रेक हो गया, लॉन्ग ब्रेक, लंच ब्रेक हो गया, एंड वी हैव टू गो इन. तो मैं एक साइड कॉरिडोर पे, वो एक साइड, मतलब ही इज इन हिज क्लास, आई एम इन माय क्लास. तो वी वुड जस्ट लुक एट ईच अदर, वी वुड डू दिस एंड then the class would start. It was very random.
हर 90s
मतलब बीच में हम लोग बस ये किए जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्यों.
अब एक्चुअली दूसरे जेस्चर के बारे में बता रहा हूँ.
No, I'm talking about Suck It. I'm talking about D Generation X, Shawn Michaels, Triple H, talking about all of them.
90s की सादगी.
Hey, that was live. Monday Night Raw was on at 9 o'clock. My mother would be like, "What the hell is going on?"
क्या लगता है, मतलब okay, I'll tell you why. जब अभी ट्रम्प इलेक्ट हुए तो वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री में भी कहा गया कि जो ट्रम्प अपने प्रेसिडेंशियल कैंपेन में यूज कर रहे हैं,
It's WWE.
ये WWE से
He's a
लॉजिक
character man.
एंड जब मैंने आप
मतलब he has shown up on WWE television as well.
he had a rival, वो WrestleMania पे
See, he's in a way, Trump is talking to that demographic.
Yeah.
People don't know how big the influence of WWE is. The last WrestleMania was the highest grossing WrestleMania over 2 nights. It was the biggest. That's the reach. They just merged some people who like business. They just merged with UFC under TKO Group to form this huge company, you know. So imagine UFC and WWE actually in the same company now. They are owned by one company.
Your coffee is here.
Is it?
कंटिन्यू करेंगे.
Good coffee, good mood.
ब्लैक कॉफी पीते हो आप?
मैं पीता था, अभी नहीं पीता हूँ.
ये क्या है?
This is blonde roast because that's the easiest for the gut to digest.
Okay.
I stopped having black coffee because I would get got messed up, bro.
Yeah. You have gut trouble?
See, if you get up in the morning and start with only black coffee, even if you don't have gut trouble, you will start having.
तो bro, I do that.
What? Don't. How old are you now?
31.
So next 2-3 years you'll be fine. Then it will.
क्या होता है ये, मतलब?
So it will cause you a lot of acidity if you start the day only with that. Have something before, and then have coffee. It's fine. But the first thing, if you have just black coffee in the morning, it will affect you negatively slowly.
On shoot days like this,
See, coffee is fake energy at the end of the day. It's not real energy, is it?
Yeah.
वो एक आपको एक दे रहा है ये, और then
ये गट हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम बहुत कॉमन है, स्पेशली मुंबई में.
बहुत
लोग एक्चुअली, जब लोग कहते हैं कि आई एम ग्लूटेन फ्री, पहले उनका मजाक उड़ाया जाता था, अभी ग्लूटेन फ्री बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेप्टेड हो रहा है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड.
It's very normal now. See, also you develop a lot of allergies. जब something goes toxic into your body, you develop a lot of allergies. I've spoken to a lot of people like Rujita Devekar on this, Lou Catino. I've had a lot of conversations about this with a lot of doctors, a lot of nutritionists trying to understand this. If something which is slightly toxic, some मिलावट के साथ कुछ, something which enters your body and doesn't suit you, it can really mess up your system. And then you almost have to go on a very strict diet to eliminate a lot of foods to reset you have to reset your entire body then. So I have gone through a bad period of time. I had to eliminate a lot of things, and a lot of inflammation went, I lost a lot of weight, and then I managed.
ये कुछ बायोहैकर्स भी आए शो पर, उन्होंने भी ये बात किया कि एक फेज के लिए एलिमिनेशन डाइट रहता है.
You should get Samantha on your show.
Yeah, same. She talks a lot about gut health.
Yeah, lots.
वैसे अब
But she's your rival now, na? She also has a podcast.
no, there is no
She is your rival. Who is your biggest rival?
Joe Rogan.
Joe Rogan. इधर कौन है?
कोई नहीं है. Because I feel in all stratas of society podcasting की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है which is growing even abroad. America sets the bar. So we had signed the first Spotify contract in India.
Yeah.
But the big hope is that actually Spotify बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही है podcasters के लिए.
Yeah.
And we need YouTube, Spotify, these platforms to elevate the Indian industry much more.
Yeah.
My personal goal is मुझे global जाना है. Just like you. I feel even you're
should. Yeah, 100%.
on some level.
That's why I did Honey Bunny. I think the whole idea was to collab with the Russos to push that narrative and to show that we can function on that level. Rey Mysterio.
Best
Rey
GOAT
Mysterio.
WWE wrestler from so many
100%.
perspectives.
619.
Right? हमने The Rock की बात करी.
His son is doing also very well. Dom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
इनके बारे में क्या याद है?
यार सब याद है यार. He's evergreen. अभी भी same ही चल रहे वो.
Most entertaining matches?
Yeah, by far the best matches. Him and Brock did some matches. They tore it down. He and Big Show did some matches. They tore it down in the ring. Being this, he's talking about short kings. I mean, he's the best example.
He's the biggest inspiration.
What an athlete, yeah.
जब ये Royal Rumble जीते थे याद है?
Madness. What an athlete.
Yeah.
What an athlete. Who would have imagined someone of this size will become a heavyweight champion?
वही Royal Rumble में ना इन्होंने उल्टी भी की थी.
Yeah.
You remember that? When there was like two guys left, three guys.
He's amazing.
Royal Rumble memories हैं?
Lots. I mean, I get pumped about it because you want to see who's returning as well.
पता है मेरी एक core Royal Rumble memory है. 2003 वर्ल्ड कप के आसपास पेप्सी ब्लू मिलता था. And we saved up the Pepsi Blue for months so we could have it during the Royal Rumble. मैं और मेरे भाई ने. Like, and Royal Rumble was a spiritual moment in childhood.
Royal Rumble was huge, bro. Still big.
क्यों इतना अच्छा क्यों लगता था Royal Rumble?
Characters इतने आ रहे, एक के बाद एक आ रहा है, कौन आने वाला है, कौन return होने वाला है. You have a lot of returns also, no?
It's still entertaining to watch.
It is still right now. The Bloodline has become such a big conversation. The Rock came back. For me, The Rock came back, so that was like great for me.
Bloodline को किसी past faction से compare करो?
Bloodline को see there's family faction तो ये I mean Nation of Domination I would say.
वाह nerd वाह Nation of Domination की
I go way back bro.
कभी देखना कब start किया आपने?
खाली he's done well man. I was excited like an Indian went there.
अब मिले उनसे?
नहीं.
अगर हम मिलते तो क्या पूछते WWE के बारे में?
I'll ask him who does he think is the strongest wrestler he's worked with?
Physically?
Yeah.
Who do you think is the physically strong?
I think he'd say Mark Henry. Though I feel Brock is insanely tough, man.
Batista की क्या याद है?
Lots, bro. When you'd work out, you'd go and shake the ring. Yeah. So I would do that. I would go into the gym and do that.
Okay, moving on. ये
Taker, bro. Undertaker. OG, GOAT.
Do you think कि आज के बच्चे समझते कि Taker की
अहमियत क्या है?
हाँ.
So that's what I mean. You see the McMahon documentary or you see any docus, you'll know how big Undertaker is. He's huge, bro.
इनसे कुछ सीखा है आपने?
Yeah, just work ethic.
Professionalism.
Work ethic, professionalism. Yeah.
And
staying in your own lane, not breaking kayfabe.
इन्होंने भी reinvent किया है, but you remember the
American Badass.
Yeah, and then
American
going
Badass.
back to
and
this.
then going back to this in the end.
Like you know this whole thing about reinvention in WWE कि new chaddi for Triple H वो purple chaddis once.
Yeah.
This has been the biggest YouTubing lesson for me. मतलब what Vince McMahon did in terms of media, I was making my girlfriend sit down watch the documentary from this perspective. Ki, dude, this is
see how much reinvention. Yeah, he's a genius. Obviously, in that perspective. I mean, now he's had those cases and shit on him, which is horrible.
Just
horrible.
Talking about the professional.
Yeah,
side.
but the professional side at that time, without us knowing that context, he's done a lot of crazy stuff.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Oh, let's go. Cena, buddy.
इनसे मिले?
नहीं मिला. Can't see him. कैसे मिलेंगे?
मैं शादी में मिला था.
हाँ मिले?
हाँ और
काफी लोग शादी में इसलिए गए था कि इनसे मिले. काफी यंग लोग गए थे खाली
हाँ,
इनसे मिलने के लिए.
हाँ, I mean
जल्दी.
वाइब तो थी कि जॉन सीना खड़े हैं सामने.
Bro, this guy is crazy, man. I mean, it's crazy. He was very cool, apparently. Everyone
Yeah.
at that wedding said that he was a very cool guy.
Very open. मैंने इनके साथ बहुत deep conversation की around 20-30 minutes के लिए. You remember जब ये rapper सीना हुए थे?
Yeah, I would love him with the chain, Doctor of Thugonomics.
Word life.
Word
It's a
life.
basic
I would like the song
thugonomics.
also.
Yeah. I'd bought the
The
WWE CD.
Anthology.
Yeah, oh, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm too much into this. I know this
Okay,
like an
okay.
encyclopedia.